first warning weather with meteorologist Freddy Vela.
Satellite and radar at this point still showing cloudy conditions in many spots, but the showers have pretty much decreased and ended at this point. The last little spot we were watching in Milam, and that's also on its way out now. I wanted to pull up some of the 24-hour rainfall totals so we can see where we got the most amount of rainfall, about 1.5 inches in Gillespie County. We see about 1/2 inch of rain in Llano, even a little bit more in many of the other spots. Burnett saw over 1/2 inch, about 3/4 inch there. Lampasas about 1/2 inch, and down in San Marcos we saw about 3/4 inch. So nothing that constituted any type of warnings, but we did have 2 flood advisories, and they're actually still in effect, but there's no more rainfall. That would be in Llano and Burnett at this time. So the rest of the night is going to remain calm. The showers are done with 77 degrees expected. The passing showers are now what you're seeing now, which is out towards Milam County, warm and humid as we go along. Temperatures for tomorrow back up one more time. 98 degrees in Austin, 93 in Blanco, 98 in San Marcos. Out towards the hill country, we're looking at about 93 to 95 degrees. So now we look ahead to tomorrow. Around 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock is when we get that next round of isolated to widely scattered showers, just like what we saw today. You get that daytime heating coming in, and a few showers could start to pick up in many of the spots. At this point, it's still going to be very widely scattered today. It was mostly out towards the hill country, San Saba, Lampasas, Burnett, and even portions of Williamson and Travis counties. But who knows, tomorrow it could actually build up just a bit more. Actually, as we see those showers starting to build and push through, these isolated pockets of widely scattered showers, again, could at this point be anywhere within central Texas. So that's why I'm just pretty much letting everyone know we do have that chance of rainfall. As we get out towards Thursday, a little bit of a decrease there, keeping it around 10% chance before we actually see everything pretty much done. And then by Friday, I don't expect to see very much at that point. We could see mostly out towards the eastern counties compared to anything else. And very warm conditions, that's still going to stick around with that high pressure system now out to our west. We're actually going to see a bit of a decrease as we go from Wednesday into Thursday, and then an increase one more time as we get to Friday into Saturday, as we do see more moisture kind of moving through. We do know that we have a tropical development that really isn't going to become anything other than just an unorganized mess. That could bring us some more showers, especially with that high pressure system essentially driving it within central Texas. And once that high pressure is gone, then most of that should start to decrease overall. And here's a look at your 7-day forecast. We're looking at temperature staying around 98 to 99 degrees for Wednesday into Thursday. You see that decrease in rain chances there, and then pick back up once again by Saturday, and then we're at 98 degrees by Sunday into Monday.
All right.